I mean, looking at your scalp, you absolutely have what looks to be like a genetic hair loss. So genetic hair loss is something that's passed on from someone in your family, either from the mother's side or the father's side. You get the gene, and when you have the gene, it expresses itself differently in everybody. Some people have this hair loss that's complete, where all you see is a little strip around the back of the head. Other people have a little recession or a little crown loss, and that seems to be where you're at right now. At your age, there's still a future ahead of you. I equate it to being on a train track. The train track's moving. How far and where it goes and where it ends up, I have no idea. There's no way to suggest where you're going to be at the end of the day. The fact that you've already started a medication is the greatest thing you can do, because that does help at least to halt most people's hair loss and sometimes regrow some hair. So looking through the scalp right now in the back, there are areas where the hair is actually gone down to the skin level. That means that the follicle most likely is gone and dead. So even medication won't bring those back. So in that case, it becomes something you need to transplant in order to get the hair to grow there.